Hello friends, we are now going to solve another Visual Basic project. In exam, how you are going to write the given question, because one of the student or one of my student had forwarded me on WhatsApp, told me sir how to solve this. So I am here to solve the following question of the concerned student. See, the question is write a project in Visual Basic to design a suitable form which allows the user to enter an integer to enter an integer. Okay, so that means here one label I will take for integer, of course a text box also, and calculate and display the factorial of that integer. Okay, factorial will be another label, and text box for factorial also required. Okay, of that integer when calculate button is clicked. So it is clear, calculate button, we have to use command button, calculate, command and clear. Okay, so it is very simple. So first of all, I said in Visual Basic we are going to see three parts. One is designing of form, another one is object property value, and third one is code. So see how simply I will make this question available. Okay, let me take a box. Okay, I'm taking a box. So box is over here. Okay, now for the name of form. Okay, now I require two boxes. One, I will take one more box. Two, and three command buttons I require. One, two, and last three. Three command buttons I require. Okay, now I will write it down. Now see here, this is what we are finding, factorial. Factorial, and here we are going to do integer, and third one is factorial. As I said, we require two labels. The label is of factorial and integer, and two text box for integer and factorial. Okay, so command button, three command buttons for calculate, clear, and exit. Secondly, I said you first of all write it down. Write it down the uh, properties of that, that is values of that. So here this is factorial. So I will name it FRM fact. Next, this is label. As I said, label is general LBL. I will write in proper format. LBL integer int. Similarly, third one is LBL factorial, no FACT I will write. Okay, same tag for text box. See, from here it is clear in the column that is settings what exactly you're going to write. Okay, so it is txt int txt fact. Okay, now this is cmd cal CMD clear and CMD exit. Okay, so here we had prepared a design of the given form. Now we require settings. Second part, settings, as I say, it is nothing but we are preparing a column. 3 columns we are going to make. Okay, in that 3 columns, first column, second column, and third column. Okay, in the upper column we are going to write object, property, and then value or setting. Already I said. Okay, now form. As I said, very first is form. Only one form, and form contains name and caption. Name, caption, and the value or settings is form name I had written is FRM fact, and name I had mentioned is Factorial. See, I'm coloring it so that you can understand in very easy language. See here, this is caption and this is my value, name value. Okay, come to second part. So how many label we require? 2 label, which is label 1 and label 2. Again, in label also we require name and caption. Name and caption. Okay. Now in name label 1, see here label 1 I had written LBL. I will mark in different language. I will mark in different color. Sorry. So this is my name and this is my caption for label 1. So name is LBL fact, caption is integer. Similarly for label 2, this is my label 2, LBL fact name, and the caption is factorial. Okay, so LBL fact and caption is factorial. See, you will get marks at every step. You just write it down, you will get the marks. Not to worry. Okay, now label is done. We have two text box, right? We have two text box. So text 1 and text 2. Text 1, text 2. See, always remember in label we are using name caption, but in text box we are using name and text. This thing you should remember. Name and text. Name and text. Now in name, I will once again mark with different color. See in text 1, let me take text 1. So text 1 is txt int. Okay, txt int, and in the place of text it is blank. This is blank. So I will write it down txt int, and this is this column I am taking is blank. Write it down over here, blank. Similarly, let us move on to second text. Second text is txt fact, and this is also blank. Okay, so txt fact, and once again it is blank. Now we have two label and two text box. Now three command button we have. We have total three command button. So command 1, command 2, and then command 3. I will just make little bit up. Okay. Command 3. See, in command button, what I will do, I will write name, caption, and I will take default. Okay. Command 2, default means what? By default, it will be it at the calculate only. Second, name, caption, okay, caption, and third one I will keep it blank. Same, command 3, name, caption, and cancel. Okay, so my writing is not good, but you try to understand my voice. Okay, so in command 1, I am taking CMD, CLC. See here, I am mentioning with other color, this one. Okay, so CMD, CLC, and caption I had written calculate, and default I am making it as true. Same in second, see clear. So it is CMD clear, and then caption is clear. Okay, now come to command 3 and last command. Okay, exit and CMD exit. So here name, CMD, exit, series one word, then exit and cancel, that is true. One more thing I forgot to write in text 2 is locked. Locked, I'm taking it as true. Okay, so here things cannot be entered. Second part is done. Now third part, let us move on to third and last part is your writing a code. See, in very simple form I am going to write. Code I will write in very simple form. In very simple form in the sense, see here, I will write private. Well, in every answer you will write in the same manner, you will get the marks. Sub CMD calculate underscore click. So I am writing dimension I as integer. Dimension I as integer. Okay. Then txt fact. See, marks will be given based on the writing of steps is equals to 1. Now it will be in iteration form. So for I is equals to 1 to value of txt int dot text. So it will show me txt fact dot text is equals to value of txt fact dot text into 1. into 1, and again it will make a iteration next I until the value which has been given, and then and sub. So this is a code for pink command button. So I will mention in color so that you can't be confused. Pink command button. This is my pink color command button. Okay, and if you want, I will mention this one. This one. This is pink. Okay, now let us move on to clear, which is CMD clear. So what exactly you are going to write? Over here you are going to write private sub CMD clear. I will have to rub CMD clear is one word underscore click. Here txt int dot text is equals to blank. Similarly txt fact dot text is equals to blank. Similarly txt uh, sorry txt int dot set focus. See, writing set focus also will give you marks. And then and sub. Now the last command button. This command button I will color it down so that you can understand in easy way. Okay, this one, and this is the command button 2. Now come to third command button and last. Okay, third and last command button is CMD exit. Private sub CMD exit underscore click, then write down and and sub. Okay, so this is the last command button, and I will mention in orange color because we had given orange color for it. Okay, and this was the third command button which we had used. Okay, so here we finished with this. Okay, so you can write in very easy steps. Thank you so much.